In this Dollar Tree DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made these adorable Christmas gnome ornaments with all things that I got at the Dollar Tree. So here's what I picked up at my local Dollar Tree. These really nice fuzzy socks, some jingle bells, Christmas balls. I love these because they don't break, wooden beads, and some more Christmas balls because really you can make these out of any size Christmas ball you'd like. And this was yarn that I already had at home. And of course you'll need a glue gun. I decided to use yarn because I feel we all have yarn at home and it really works, especially after I brush it. You'll see what I mean in a few seconds. Loving this Dollar Tree DIY? Why don't you subscribe so you could stay up to date with all my latest videos? Just click on the top right link there. And this little guy already has his own personality. And I just couldn't leave out the jingle bells because I just really love them. And what's an ornament without a jingle bell? And with ribbon from the Dollar Tree as well, I'm making a bow and adding it to this gnome's hat. And now I'm going to repeat the same process with this smaller gold ball. And with these pipe cleaners from the Dollar Tree, I decided to create a loop with it just for this one. And it actually turned out really nice. And that's it. These Dollar Tree gnome ornaments really came out so cute and they all have their own personality. Just a creative and adorable little gift to give to someone. Anyway, if you really enjoyed this Dollar Tree DIY, why don't you also check out my other Dollar Tree DIYs right up here on the screen. Thanks for watching.